Hey guys and gals, today we are talking about complementary proteins. They're different from complete proteins. What do these two words mean? We're going to find out today. Now, protein is an important part of the diet for a few reasons. It's transformed into body protein elements like muscle, it's used as components that your body needs, and it's used for energy. So you get this protein from complete sources like animal sources, or you can get it in incomplete forms from plants, but can be made into complete forms by complementing or pairing them. Just like the pieces of a puzzle, the protein is made up of several individual pieces called amino acids. So just like a puzzle, the protein needs all of the puzzle pieces, aka amino acids, to make up the complete protein. Otherwise, it can't perform the functions in your body that your body needs. So remember that the ideal goal is to get a complete protein. We can get this easily from some foods like animal sources, or we can complement some proteins together to make that complete protein. So name of the game, complete protein. The question we have to ask now is what happens if we don't eat enough protein? So it turns out that if we don't eat enough protein in our diet, our body figures out a way to get it without our help. It'll take it from your muscle so that it can use it for other sources of energy. We don't want our body to be breaking down our body to get other components. So we want to make sure we're eating enough. Now the question is, what is enough? So if you're a regular person who, you don't work out a crazy amount, you don't have any diseases, you're just living life, then you want about 20 to 25% of your calories to be from protein. So that means if you look at everything you eat in the day, you want to make a quarter of it roughly to be protein. And that can come from animal sources, plant sources, just like we're going to talk about in a second. And then if you're someone who is in a body state of stress, meaning you work out a lot, maybe you're an athlete, or you have a long-term or short-term illness, diabetes, kidney disease, or even the flu, you need more protein to help your body relieve of that stress. So you would need 30 to 35, maybe even a little bit more percent of your calories to be from protein. So just like I said a few minutes ago, the name of the game is a complete protein because it has all of those amino acid pieces, just like the puzzle. Animal proteins such as meat, poultry, eggs, fish, dairy products, they all already have all those pieces, but plants also have protein, but they need to be complemented with other plant-based proteins to make up the complete protein. So going back to here, if we say meat has all these pieces already, plant proteins have maybe this, and then they need to be paired with plant proteins that have the other half so that they can become the complete protein that your body needs and wants. Luckily, Mother Nature always seems to know what she's doing, and if you wanted to get a complete protein from plants, then all you have to do is know their pair that go together. Legumes, nuts, seeds, grains, they pair with certain other nuts, seeds, grain, legumes, etc. and to make a complete protein in your body. And I'm going to put a slide up really quickly so you can see it and write this down for the future. Don't even have to eat these complementary protein items in the same meal. You'll get the benefit if you eat it in the same day, but preferably one meal after another. And I'm gonna put up a little slide of ideas. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope this was a helpful guide. I will see you next time.